Alright, girly toys, check. Cool little boy toys right here, check. Okay, puppy my pocket, always gotta have one of those. Wootsies, okay. Oh, this is cute. I don't even remember ordering this for my store. Okay, there we go. And then let me just make sure I have enough change in my cash register box. Oh yeah, we got plenty of change. We got our little feisty pet here to help me out. Okay, perfect. I think we're ready for some customers. Okay, this thing's kind of cute. What does it do? Oh my gosh, whoa. Oh, hello. Oh my goodness, you have a lot of money and some pretty crazy hair today. Let's see. What would you like to buy? You can buy a lot. I mean, our prices are a little high. It's, you know, the boutique. It's pretty pricey. But you can buy whatever you'd like. Wait. You gotta pay for it first before you open it. That's the rule. Okay, so pick out. Is this all you want? Let me ring it up for you. Here we go. Okay. Turn it over. Over. There we go. Right there. Oh. There we go. Oh, wait. Uh-oh. Hold on one second. That didn't ring up. Hold on. This happens sometimes. Oh, $5. Okay. Whew. Okay, so let me grab your $5 here. Okay, there we go. Oh, you like the kitties in my pocket? Okay, let's ring it up. Let's see how much it is. $8. Okay, this is your money, right? Okay, you hold that. And we're going to spend all your money pretty quick here. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, here we go. There we go. Okay, perfect. Anything else? Let's see. Oh, I have a whole nother section right here. Here we go. Right here. Let's see. We got Sophia the First. We have Enchantables, Shopkins. Those are like my favorites. Oh, we have Candy and Roblox. Oh, Candy, of course. This one's actually a very popular toy, the Rads. So let me skin this. Ooh, $9. Oh boy. Okay, we're gonna be spending a lot of your money. Here we go. Let's put the 10s in.
Wait, can we?
Yeah, one's back.
Wait.
No way, that's so cute. Oh, she's got little sunflowers on her. Let's see, which one is this? Oh, that's the friend bear. Oh, that's cute. That's super cute. Oh yeah, should we see which Rads you got?
Yeah.
And, oh, is it Biggie? Might be Biggie.
Yeah, Biggie.
Wait. Shake.
Biggie.
Shake. And it is Biggie. Cool. He's like very fluffy. Oh, that tells you all the different trolls you can collect. Oh yeah, here we go. Ooh, do you want to try a piece of candy?
Yeah.
There we go. Can I try one too?
Yeah.
Ooh, this looks really nice. Okay. Anything else? You're kind of running low on money here. What else would you like to get? Let's see. You have, I guess you have still 20 left. You have like 30 something dollars, like $33.
We have Poppy, Branch, and Biggie.
Cool. All right. Hey, actually, I have something that I think you would like. Where did it go? Oh, right here. The Woodsies. I think you would like this a lot. So let me ring it up here. Oh, where's that code? Oh, hold on. Once again, it's having trouble here. And oh my gosh, $48. Well, that pretty much takes the rest of your money. There we go. Ta-da, here's your Woodsies.
$48, that's a lot of dollars.
Yes, a lot of dollars for me. Okay, here you go. Here's your Woodsies. Better be a limited edition or something for $48. Am I right? Oh, here. I'll help you out. See, that's why it's so expensive. I gotta help you open it. Oh, it's a bunny. That is cute. That's really cute. There you go. And let's see. Did you want anything else? Oh, wait a minute. You're out of money, huh?
Oh, yeah.
You have no more money. Wait, let's see. Yep. Wait. Let me just check your robe pockets here. Make sure you have nothing else. Oh, that's kind of a suspicious shirt, but okay, whatever. Okay, well, take your toys. Here you go. And then maybe go home and get some more money, and then you can get some more stuff if you want, okay? Okay. Bye. Have a good day. Oh my goodness, I can't believe how much I made. Wait, look at this huge pile of money. Jeez, 20, oh my goodness, like at least $100 or $200. Whoa, that is so much money. Oh, this is so awesome. I could buy like more products. I could buy more toys. This is amazing. I could buy like a house with this.
Ew, money.
Oh, hi. Yeah, I'd like to buy the all expense paid trip to Bora Bora. Yeah, with the resort on the water. Yeah, that'd be great. Oh yeah, upgrade it all. You know what? I'll take 2 rooms just in case I get sick of one room, then I can have the other room and just switch off. Okay, oh my gosh, this is amazing.
Time to be sneaky.
Oh, hi. Yeah, I'd like to order an extra large pizza. Do you have the gold leaf topping? Yeah, I've come across a lot of money lately in my week. Yeah, so I'd love to have that. Yeah, and add some breadsticks and some caviar and...
Ew, money.
Ooh, I wonder if I have enough money to swim in it. Kind of like Scrooge McDuck. Like, money. Well, actually, you know what? Let me just smell my money because I just love the smell of money. It doesn't smell... Kind of smells like cheap money. Wait a minute. Wait, where's all my money? I only have $1. Wait, what? Oh, there's got to be something wrong with this cash register. Hold on. Wait a minute. Did some money just fly through here? Yeah, it's got to be like shooting out money or something. Something must be terribly wrong. I totally need customers to come. Ooh, this looks like a good toy. Customers, I'm selling Boom Blastics, please. This is a really cool game. I need money. I have a costume. I have a feisty pet. Please, customers, please somebody come buy some stuff. We have Sophia the first. Oh, good. Oh, hello. Oh my goodness. Hi, little customer. You look cute today. Let's see. Wait, let me look at all this. Okay. You know what? I think this should pay for the pizza and my trip to Bora Bora, so that's perfect. Okay, I will take, how about all this money, and you can pick out 2 awesome toys. Is that fair? You want to do that?
Yeah.
Okay, so 2 toys, and I will take this huge pile of money. Okay, let's see. Oh, that's kind of a bigger toy. I guess you can have it, though, if you want it. Oh, then Chanimal? Okay, perfect. Okay, good choice. And then one more toy, whatever you'd like. Oh, that one's like one of my favorites. Okay, sweet. Okay, yeah, take that. And then, oh, wait, where's this? Oh, yeah, wait, this is my other money. Okay, so let me ring these up. It doesn't really matter because I'm just going to take your big pile of money. There we go. And there we go. Okay, there we go. Okay, sweet. Awesome.
She didn't know I stole that money.
Oh, do you want to play that?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can play this. This is a really cool game. Okay. All right, so we're going to play Boom Plastic. So what you do is you push this inside here like that. And you put it down very gently or else it's going to explode. Just careful. Okay. Oh, no. Oh, my goodness. Okay, it's really scary. It's like little chicken wings. Okay. There we go. Here, you hold it. Here, I'll do it for you if you want. Here. Oh boy.
Sorry.
Okay. Oh boy. Okay, you gotta be like really careful. Okay, there you go.
I'm scared at this game.
I know, it's kind of scary. It might blow up in your face, literally. Okay. Woo. Okay.
Wow, this is the
Oh. Okay, get on there. Oh, good job. Okay. Oh boy. Okay, there you go. When's it going to blast? Okay, we're doing a good job actually. Here you go.
Hey, it says when you're done it'll explode.
Yes.
All of it.
Yes, it's all going to explode on you.
Wait, is it?
Yeah, it really will. Okay, boom.
Wait, why?
Because it's a game. Okay, what's it?
Ah.
Okay. No! You just made it explode! Oh man! Okay, you're the loser!
That's fun!
I know, it is fun. Hey, do you want me to help you open your doll too? Here we go. We can open this for you as well. You got your little fruit cart. That's cute. She likes to eat healthy. And it's a little monkey girl. It's super adorable.
Yep.
Okay, let's get her out. Here we go. Let's see. Get her down here. Come on out, little monkey. She's like, okay. Oh, that's cute. She's got like a little fruit stand dress too. Okay, here you go, Ava. There we go. Oh, and a little monkey. So cute. Okay. Oh, there we go. And then here's our fruit stand. So it comes with a pineapple, little fruit drinks, and banana. So it's kind of more of like a smoothie stand, a little smoothie shop. Here we go. Here's all of our fruits. These are really cute. It's kind of like, it reminds me almost of like the Barbie Chelsea, but like more animal themed. Okay. Who wants some bananas? He's like, oh, still hungry. Want some pineapple? And a smoothie? Uh-oh, your monkey's gonna eat everything in your stand. Oh, what's she drinking? She's got her smoothie?
Yeah.
Oh, that's perfect.
It's an orange one.
Oh, yeah, it's probably like a tropical orange.
Where's the other one?
Oh, and right. Let's see, we have this and this. I think that's everything. Oh, wait. Oh, the monkey's one. Here we go.
Oh.
Does she want to try that? Oh, hey, she has a tail. That's cute. That's really cute. She's like, I have a tail. Oh, I love her ears. Those are so cute.
Yeah.
And then this matches.
So she's a monkey?
Yeah, she's a little monkey girl. She probably bounces around a lot and gets into little monkey business trouble. Ah, boy, no, bad monkey. Ah. Okay, we'll take your toys. I need some more customers to come because I have like a pizza to pay for and a huge trip to pay for. So I need some more customers. Okay, have a good one.
I can't
take your toys.
I can't hold it.
Okay. Ooh, well that's too cheap for bags. Here, you can put it all in this box. Here we go.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Okay. Oh, and then all these you can put in your container. This is really fun. Okay.
Yeah.
Ta-da! Okay. Have a good one. Bye. Oh my goodness. Oh, sweet. Oh, it's a travel agency, I think. Okay. Hello? Oh, hi. Yeah, it's Sandra.
Hi, you want a free trip?
No way. If I go right now, it's free? Like the whole trip?
You just have to leave right now.
Right now. Okay. Oh yeah, I'm there. Let me just bring the monkey. Okay. Yep, I'm heading on.
She bought it. Woohoo! Money! Like and subscribe.
Man, where's my Uber? I've been waiting for like 2 hours and I thought they said someone would pick me up.
In the comments, let me know if I have to go to jail.
Huh. Am I getting pranked or something?
Mwahaha.
The toy featured in this video is this really cute My Little Pony Sugar Cube cash register. And it's super cute because Pinkie Pie and all of your favorite ponies talk to you.
Are fit for a king, or a queen, or a princess.
Hi, Pinkie Pie. Look here, let's press in a price. Like, oh my gosh, $100?
Time for some fun.
And then maybe you take off a product.
I, Pinkie Pie, declare that these treats are fit for a king, or a queen, or a princess.
Isn't that cute? So let's open it up and I'll give you a better look. Already it's out of the box and so adorable. So here's a little scanner, all the buttons. Here, let's have everybody talk.
Time for some fun.
Oh.
Pinkie Pie, declare that these treats are fit for a king, or a
Sweet.
queen, or a princess.
Okay, so what we can do is we can scan it. So here's our little barcode. $5. So let's see what else we have. Let's try our woodsies. How much is this? $8. Oh my goodness. And then let's see the mashups. $9. This is just getting higher and higher. 13, 14, 17, 19. Oh my goodness. The more you buy, the more expensive it is. Unless this is a total. Maybe it's the total. It's adding everything up. Okay. Hopefully it is, because that is super, $42. Okay, I've just bought a lot of toys. You know what? Let's just have this huge pile of toys here for everything I bought. So here's a credit card, which I think I might need because this is a pretty big bill. So you just put the credit card right here. Ding, ding. Okay, $0. Okay, great. Let's find something else. Let's buy a Care Bear. $4. So let me grab some of my money. Let's see, we have 20s, 10s, 5s, and 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. So let's push. Let's see.
Okie dokie dokie.
Finalize your sale. And then we'll put our money in here. Wait. Oh, do you have more money for me, Ava? Oh, yeah. There we go. Oh yeah, here, put all that in. We'll buy a lot here. There we go. Let's buy this and this. Okay. Are you just trying to make yourself rich? I think Ava just wants the cash register box here. Here. Let's give her a lot of money. Oh no, all the money. Oh my goodness, but we have tons of toys. This is really
And a
adorable.
credit
though.
card.
Ooh.
Keyboard credit card.
Okay, hey, I want to see if it does do math well. So let's do $1 plus, I don't know, $18 and 19. Okay, good. So it does add right. So yay! So you can actually learn some numbers and math with this thing too. Do you want to try something? Let's do 4 plus 9.
Time for
13. Perfect. Do you want to try one?
I, Pinkie Pie, declare
6 cents plus, do you want to do another number? 1 cent equals 7 cents. That's really cool. This is really cute, and it's got nice frosting and everything on it. It makes fun, like really funky noises.